It's almost like falling in love for the first time, all over again. Hold on tight to the feeling, but it's a roller coaster in my head. So I'm holding myself on a precipice, and I've been dreaming off the ground. So I'm looking for something that's definite. I'm praying you don't let me down. It's gotta be all, it's gotta be all or nothing, all or nothing. Oh, it's gotta be all or nothing, all or nothing. It's gotta be all or nothing. It's gotta be all or nothing. Oh, or nothing at all. Hold these doubts like the playing cards close to my chest. Turn them round for the river and hope it's something that I won't regret. So I'm holding myself on a precipice, and I've been dreaming off the ground. So I'm looking for something that's definite. I'm praying you don't let me down. It's gotta be all, it's gotta be all or nothing, all or nothing. Oh, it's gotta be all or nothing, all or nothing. Oh, oh, it's gotta be all or nothing. Oh, it's gotta be all or nothing, all or nothing. It's gotta be all or nothing.
Welcome back. In today's video we're ploughing for Fodder Beet 2024. So you would have seen in the drone footage that I was ploughing without the press in the other little field. Both these fields are 4 acres, and yesterday they both got 30 tonne an acre of dung. So we're pretty quick out with the plough this year because we're so far behind. But my plan was drone in there without the press, and then I'd come in here and drone with it, but it's been raining the whole time I've done this field, so I'm basically at the end of it. I'm in the short work now, but I'm getting through it. The other field was lovely and dry, and I think this one's quite dry as well, but because the rain is there, it's not quite as easy to tell. But ground is just starting to get a bit greasy now. It's not ideal, but sure, look, I'm making it work. As always, I'm driving our case MAXXUM 150, and I've our 4 furrow Kverneland reversible plough, and then obviously the press as well. If you enjoyed today's video, feel free to give the video a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, leave them down below in the comments, and I'll do my best to get back to them all. I was up looking at our Forage triticale this morning, and it's knee high. So it is the 25th of April, and our triticale's knee high. So I'd say 3 weeks more and we'll mow it. Hopefully it'll be up around waist height. Maybe it'll be more. I've no idea. Like, it's our first year growing it, so I really don't have a clue. But if you'd like to see us mowing the triticale, subscribe to the channel, and there should be a video of us doing exactly that coming up relatively soon. There'll be quite a few, not quite tillage videos, but a lot of disking, a lot of ploughing, sowing beet, sowing maize, sowing arable silage, and all that good stuff. And then at the end of that, it'll be triticale. But it's looking like when we mow the triticale, it won't be just triticale. We will have 5 acres of grass to go with it as well, so it'll be like a silage video, because I'll get a good bit of footage of mowing, hopefully get footage of the whole process, and then yeah, it should make a nice video. It won't be just an acre of triticale, but that will be kind of the main point of the video, just to show how it does this year. I don't know if I mentioned it or not, but we didn't sow that triticale till the 7th of November. So that's pretty late for triticale, pretty late for any crop. But it seems to be doing alright. It is a bit thin, and I blame that on the wet weather. But hopefully this autumn we'll sow it much earlier. Hopefully we'll have it sown at least a month earlier. I'd nearly like to sow it in September, but there's just so many things it depends on, so just have to see how it goes. But that's enough rambling on from me today. So if you've enjoyed the video, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one.